No, sir.
Okay. Mega?
Sir, meta means effective or like. No, sir, I don't know.
No problem. Tenzin? Any idea?
Don't know, sir.
Okay. Aparna?
Don't know, sir.
Sai Srileka?
Don't know, sir.
Irene?
Don't know, sir.
Irene, your voice is very low. Just try increasing it. Sherin Babu?
Yes, sir. Is it combining the result?
No, don't tell me that. I am asking you what is meta. That's all.
No, sir.
Okay. Marlin Sara?
Don't know, sir.
Okay. Kezia Rachel?
No, sir. Don't
Manoj,
know.
yes. Oh. Manoj?
No, sir.
Lakshmi?
Sir, like short time.
Short time. No. Sufficient.
Sir, is it seeing things from a higher perspective?
Yeah, you're close to answer. Okay. Ria Pillai?
So like by itself or
By itself. No idea. Okay. Let us see. Let us ask Ria Pillai. Ria Pillai?
Sir, is it many?
It is
Many
many
results.
many results. Right?
Yes, sir.
Many results. Okay, you are also close. Okay, Navindra. We'll ask Navindra.
Don't know, sir. Some
Okay.
effective.
Sorry?
Sir, some effective.
Effective. No idea. Okay, Aquina.
Don't know, sir.
Aswina G.
Don't know, sir.
Okay, Sonam.
No idea, sir. No idea.
And
No, sir, no idea.
Kamal.
Means most effective.
Most effective, you mean?
Can be statistics or some report. Most effective statistics.
Okay. Nikita.
Don't know, sir.
Okay. Atira.
don't know, sir.
Banzir.
Sir, multiple results, sir.
Very good.
Multiple.
Multiple. Okay, you are also very close. Okay, let us ask Ria. Ria.
I don't know, sir.
Okay, Anju. Anju. Put it in the chat box if you have connection problem. Put it in the chat. About the thing itself. No idea. Okay. Somebody has said that it is many. Some says that multiples and all those things. Yeah, you're very close. Meta means it is a large. Meta refers to large. Mega refers to largest. Micro refers to small. Meta is in between, right? But it is large. Meta-analysis means you're going to combine 2-3 studies results and make it a one report. So naturally it will become bigger, right? So you have let us say you have collected 3 articles on, suppose you would like to assess say what is the effect of antivirals in COVID-19, okay, or against COVID-19 infection. So you would have collected 10 research articles, okay. You have collected 10 research articles, and you will go through each research article and take the results part of all the 10 research article, combine the results and make a summary report. Make a summary report. This is called as meta-analysis. So it is the combination of the results of a group of studies to arrive at a summary estimate of the effect, estimate of the effect, which could be beneficial or which could be harmful also. Okay, so basically you're going to combine the results of 10 or many studies together and arrive at a conclusion that is known as summary conclusion. Okay, the summary conclusion can be focused on either therapeutic benefit or adverse consequences. It depends on what type of research question you want to focus. Suppose your objective of the study is to assess the adverse effects of antiviral drugs that are used against COVID-19 infections. If that is the objective for you, so from all the 10 studies, you're going to collect the adverse effects that are reported and make a summary of the report saying that this is the summary of adverse effects that were observed in 10 different studies. And it not only you're going to combine, but you're going to analyze also. You're going to scrutinize, verify their data. Simply you cannot accept their data and try to make your own data or summary of data. It is not allowed. After getting the results from all the 10 studies, you're going to compare them and analyze them, apply statistics like odds ratio and all, and find out the risk levels. Then you're going to make your own conclusion. That is called as meta-analysis methods. Any doubt in this? Anybody has any doubt? Please openly ask. Okay, I guess there is no doubt in that. Okay, usually such meta-analysis studies will be large in nature. Earlier you used to take research articles of 2 pages, 3 pages. Now you don't find 2 pages, 3 pages. Minimum 5 pages to 10 pages article these people will be producing it, meta-analysis, because they combine the result from various studies and they are going to compare it and suitably express it. Now, what kind of studies can be combined from the observational studies? Case control studies. Here you cannot combine case reports and all those things, because if you try to compare case reports, there will be huge variation will be there. Huge variations will be there. So that is why you cannot take case reports or case series reports and all those things. When you are trying to compare the results of the studies from 10 different studies, they should give a solid data, and the data should be significant enough, and proper statistics should have been applied. Only such data you can take it. Okay, so what type of studies you can compare and make a meta-analysis study are: number 1, case control studies. You understand what is case control studies. So you can combine case control studies. The second type of study is cohort study. You know this, right? Many cohort studies can be grouped together. And third type of study is randomized controlled or randomized clinical studies. Randomized clinical studies or randomized controlled trials. You can combine 3-4 trials and try to make a summary of it. And you can also calculate the odds ratio. But only the advantage of this method is that you can make a consolidated report based on the 10 reports together. Instead of covering the large number of population in one study, you can combine 10 studies and make a report on large number of patients. Correct? Like for example, if you take 10 studies, in each study, let us say that 100 patients are recruited, correct? So in 10 studies, if you try to combine how many patients it has become naturally 1000 patients. Now, by summarizing the 10 studies report, you can report the data of 1000 patients. So let us assume the cost effectiveness of taking up one study and trying to cover 1000 patients. How is that cost effective? And just see the cost effective of those studies which you have combined together. Okay, so it helps to combine the large data in one particular, or it helps to combine or the report on large number of patients. Number one. The second is that the summary conclusion will be significant and strong in nature to derive at a guidelines. And it is less. It is less costlier, because what you need is that only 10 studies research articles only you need. You have to collect them and try to compare and assess it. So it is a less costliest type of analysis. Still, it can give you the correct or the significant results. So these are the advantages of meta-analysis study. It also has disadvantages. Let us see what may be the disadvantages. That, see, you need to be extra care. You need to be extra care while analyzing the reports or the data from the results, because some of the data are missing or will be missing, or in some of the studies they would not have reported the data from the angle with which you are trying to assess. So there may be a data biases there. So you need to be very careful while analyzing the data. Number one. You need to be careful also while interpreting the data. So let us say that you have analyzed the results. From the analysis, you found that, okay, this data can be used to conclude like this. So before conclusion, you have to be very careful to understand whether any statistical methods are used, whether properly relationships are established, whether significance levels are found out. So these things you have to see before you interpret. So that is why you need to be very careful at the time of analyzing the data, at the time of even interpreting the data. And these studies are heterogeneous in nature. That means they are not similar like randomized clinical trials, right? In randomized clinical trials, what we have understood from the clinical trials knowledge, that all the patients will be having one particular disease, only one variation, only one type of administration of the drug with the only one dosage. All the parameters are stabilized in randomized clinical trials. But in this case, the studies are not stabilized. There may be a variation that we call it as heterogeneous in nature. The nature of these studies are heterogeneous. So what happens is that you need to be very careful when you're trying to interpret or analyze the data from such kind of studies. The another use of this particular data is that I just forgot to mention the advantages. Another advantage is that this data you can use it for doing pharmacoeconomic analysis. Okay, meta-analysis data can be used to analyze, apply for or do pharmacoeconomic analysis. The second advantage is that you can use meta-analysis data for establishing therapeutic guidelines. As we have already understood, when you summarize the data, which is very significant and very core, having a statistical valuation, then you can use it to establish the therapeutic guidelines. Okay, so this is about the advantages and disadvantages of this particular methodology, meta-analysis. Like, you have any doubt in this regard? Anybody has any doubt? Okay, if there is no doubt, then please download the article and start studying. Start writing the article. But in this case, I can give you 2 pages space. Half a page, I used to say. I will give you 1.5 pages to 2 pages space for you to summarize it, because these studies will be large enough. It is very difficult to concise in one particular page or maybe half a page. I will give you the limit of 2 pages, not a problem at all. Is that clear? You can start now, and you will be with me, and you're going to write the summary as recently used to write it. Discussions will have references, and you're going to write the references name, and if you're getting delinked, you're going to link it back and be there with me until 11:30. Is it clear? Now you can start. Any doubt, please ask me. I'll be online. And this particular message is for my research students. See, there are 3 groups with me who will be working with me on research projects. Which are those group? The group leader can raise the say yes. Group leader of my research groups. Hello.
So my group.
Kessia Korean group. Okay. One more.
Sir, my group, sir.
Sai Srileka. Very good. One more group. Which is the one more group?
Sir, my group.
Who is this?
Irene, sir.
Irene sir. Irene sir, your voice is very low. Irene sir, just see volume. You can adjust volume.
Sir, I'm trying to adjust it, but I don't know what happened. From tomorrow, I'll manage it.
Okay, no problem. So, what I want to convey to my research group of students is that create a WhatsApp group. Create a WhatsApp group where all of you are there. Is it clear? Who's going to create a WhatsApp group?
I will do it, sir.
Kessia Korean. Great. So create a WhatsApp group and say that research group, 5th year Form D, and add my number also. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Thank you. So you can start with writing the summary.
Mm,